Managing your property finances is easy with the property accountant. Just 6 quick steps and you're set. Step 1. Add your property details. Enter your property details takes less than a minute. Step 2. Connect your bank loans. Securely link your bank loans with open banking for automatic transaction updates. No passwords, no manual entry. Step 3. Email your depreciation schedule. Have a depreciation schedule? Simply email it to your unique ID with the subject depreciation, and we'll handle the rest. Step 4. Email your settlement schedule. Buying or selling? Simply email it with settlement in the subject, and we'll categorize costs for you. Step 5. Automate rental income updates. Advise your property manager send rental statements to your unique email ID we updated automatically. Already have rental summaries for the current year? Just forward them. For past years, email the annual rent summary with rent in the subject. Step 6. Minimal monthly upkeep. Add expenses you pay directly, like land tax, insurance, or council rates. Tap Add Expense, enter details, and you're done. Your property finances automated. Get real-time visibility into net income, market value, loan balance, net equity, interest rate. Download income and expenses report, cost-based report, loan summary report. Start now. Track, manage, and simplify your property finances.